Dawn breaks over the insect protein campus. Inside this vast, climate-controlled complex, the biosecure entry is paramount. Workers proceed through synchronized sanitation checkpoints, including The process begins here at the raw material dock. Forklifts ensure a constant, synchronized flow.
Here in the feed quality lab, every batch of grain and seed meal is rigorously tested. Precision is key to ensure insects are turned into protein bars. We begin with the grinding and milling feed for the rearing halls. A look inside the automated blending room. Milled feed and micronutrients cascade into the mixers, ensuring the trays move rapidly through the sanitation line. After high-pressure washing and hot air drying,
this vast climate-controlled hall is home to millions of adult crickets, the future of sustainable protein.
Here in the preparation room, sterile substrate is precisely loaded onto trays before being leveled and stacked by robotic arms.
How insects are turned into protein bars begins here, at the peak of the egg-laying cycle. The trays are collected with industrial precision.
Once filled, the trays are immediately sealed and scanned, maintaining strict humidity levels as they are transferred to the
birds. Here in the embryo inspection lab, viability and cleanliness are paramount. Technicians meticulously inspect.
The incubation hall maintains a perfect thermal order. As the robotic lifts secure the trays, the sealed doors lock in.
In this bright, sterile hatching room, millions of nymphs emerge. Workers use soft tools to
This is the juvenile setup lane. The nymphs are transferred into the freshly prepared rearing bins, beginning their journey to become sustainable protein. To meet the growing demand for sustainable protein, facilities like this one rely on precision agriculture and automation. The automated feed dispensing system ensures a precise diet across the juvenile rack rows. Overhead rail.
Using robotic precision, translucent hydration gel is deposited into the rearing bins. This ensures the
In the central climate control room, massive machinery maintains the ideal growth conditions. With workers
through constant real-time control and advanced sensor monitoring, we optimize the biological production of various insect species. From the moment the sample bins arrive, the team works with disciplined efficiency, rapidly assessing the size and health of the live specimens.
The logistics corridor is a marvel of automation. These robotic shuttles constantly rotate the cricket bins. The vibrating screens ensure clean separation. As the substrate is purified, the live modules continue forward uninterrupted.
In this state-of-the-art facility, adolescent crickets are reared in a tightly controlled environment. Automated system density grading is crucial. Once mature, the crickets are carefully transported along these rails for the final stage of their journey.
As insects are turned into protein bars, meticulous sampling ensures microbial safety and batch consistency.
In this final holding corridor, the harvest-bound bins move through a tightly synchronized cleanout lane.
The automated gates ensure precise spacing as the bins move towards the transfer funnels, maintaining.
The harvest bay operates with mechanical precision. Automated tippers rotate the bins, sending a steady.
This enclosed system is designed for maximum efficiency and biosecurity. The crickets are advanced.
Inside the chilling tunnel, controlled airstreams rapidly lower the temperature, ensuring the crickets are humanely immobilized before the next stage of processing.
In this highly controlled environment, the immobilized crickets are carefully inspected. Workers
in the wet processing tunnel, thousands of food-grade crickets undergo their initial rinse, monitored closely by technicians.
The blanching process is the critical primary kill step.
Here, washed crickets enter continuous units.
Fervidors. The blanched crickets are fed into high-speed centrifuges and press belts. This crucial dewatering step removes.
Through the roasting tunnel, we ensure flavor development and safety. The controlled industrial cooking process guarantees a consistent product at scale.
The multi-zone dehydrator ensures every cricket reaches the precise moisture target for a shelf-stable, high-quality protein ingredient.
Moisture verification is critical. Infrared sensors and automated sampling arms meticulously analyze the...
Following heat processing, the dried insects are rapidly cooled by filtered air curtains. This critical step ensures lordals. The dried product flows from the cooling conveyor into the pre-breakers, where they are rapidly reduced into a coarse granular.
Here in the pressing bay, the coarse meal is fed into the separation units.
Through a process of clarification and filtration, the crude insect oil is refined. It is then
Through advanced air classification, the insect protein powder is precisely separated, isolating the finest, high-protein fraction.
The final stage involves rigorous purification. The powder passes over vibrating sieves and through
Once the insects are processed, the resulting protein powder undergoes stringent quality control. This ensures
In this ultra-clean facility, advanced automation and dedicated personnel oversee the precise flow of
The first step is meticulous washing. Here, the raw insect fractions undergo chitin recovery in these specialized stainless tanks. Here in the drying tunnel, warm air currents stabilize the chitin, ensuring a consistent, high-quality protein product.
A continuous flow of fine chitin powder moves from the mill through a sieve and into the bagging station.
A panning shot follows the frass as it tumbles through dryers and then advances across screening belts toward pelletizing. The dried frass is compressed and then rapidly packaged. The entire process is designed for maximum efficiency and zero waste. In this state-of-the-art facility, precision is everything. The receiving dock is a symphony of movement.
Here in the blending facility, precise amounts of fruit concentrates and plant oils flow through these jacketed tanks.
To brief leftings. The process is swift and controlled. Following weighing and screening, the samples undergo analytical checks before.
In the roasting hall, we carefully monitor the temperature and airflow of the nuts and seeds to develop their flavor.
How insects are turned into protein bars. Through chopping, flaking, and precise texture preparation, the ingredients are made ready.
The process begins with the fruit paste and binder preparation. Dates and fruit concentrates are ground.
The process begins with measured pouring at the stainless weighing stations. These micro-components are essential. Meticulously monitored by the team, the ingredients cascade into the blenders, beginning their transformation into high-protein bars.
As the agitators turn at a constant speed, the syrup is carefully brought to temperature before being pumped toward the main mixers.
Here in the emulsification suite, we turn insects into a smooth, even protein binder, preparing the liquid phase for the dough mixers. Inside these massive ribbon mixers, the dry insect protein blend meets the liquid binder. In the conditioning chamber, the freshly mixed dough undergoes vacuum deaeration to remove trapped air. Here in the forming hall, the conditioned insect protein dough is extruded through wide stainless dies onto the moving belt. Precision layering is key. As the protein slab moves down the line, these overhead depositors ensure every bar receives a consistent coating of nuts and seeds.
The topped protein slab enters the gentle bake, moving through the setting tunnel. Precise control of warm air and
As the camera cranes upward, the slab sections circle through the cooling tower in smooth, continuous motion.
As the cooled protein slabs glide over the thin curtain of glossy coating, the excess drips into recirculation tanks.
The moving slab is finished with a precise drizzle and a blend of seeds, demonstrating how insects are efficiently turned into high-quality protein bars.
The camera follows the slab into the cooling tunnel as the finish firms and the product advances.
The alignment belts utilize advanced servo technology to square the edges and center the path, optimizing the high-speed portioning process.
Here in the cutting hall, the insect protein slab is precisely sectioned by high-speed blades, creating the uniform bars you see moving down the line.
Beneath the synchronized guillotine blades, the protein lanes are sliced into individual bars. The servo timing ensures perfect product spacing every time.
As the bars move along the conveyor, high-intensity LED arrays and machine vision cameras ensure precise shape and surface uniformity.
To ensure industrial quality assurance, the finished bars travel across these high-speed check weighers, ensuring every bar meets the exact weight specification.
Technicians place bars into rigs, testing resistance and comparing cross-sections with approved standard. This adds scientific rigor and
To ensure the highest level of consumer safety, every insect protein bar passes through these sophisticated metal detectors and compact X-ray tunnels.
Packaging readiness is paramount. A disciplined team ensures that the insect-based protein bars are sealed and cartoned without interruption.
The neppers. The finished insect protein bars move in single file into these high-speed flow Beretta wrappers.
As the bars move down the line, they enter the seal verification tunnels. Workers sample packs for pressure testing.
The cartoning area is a marvel of modern automation. Collators group the insect-based protein bars.
Once the protein bars are ready, they enter the secondary packaging lane. Here, automated systems handle the case packing for distribution and bulk handling.
In this highly automated facility, precision robotics handle the heavy lifting, stacking the finished cases with
Here in the palletizing cell, finished cases of insect-based protein bars are tightly wound with clear film, stabilizing the load for shipment.
This high-bay warehouse utilizes advanced robotics to efficiently manage the massive volume of finished insect protein products.
The meticulous process of quality control links long-term assurance with active production, ensuring every sample meets precise specifications.
Here in the marshalling zone, tight scheduling and robotic precision guarantee an unbroken link between production and global distribution. Once processed, the insect protein is formed into bars, packaged, and rapidly prepared for distribution across the region. From the facility, the finished protein bars are loaded onto a synchronized convoy, ensuring the precise rhythm of the factory.
The sequence extends factory discipline into the broader retail network, ensuring efficient, high-speed delivery of the new product line.
Here in the fulfillment center, efficiency is key. These insect-based protein bars are quickly processed and shipped out to consumers.
The journey from insect farm to your doorstep relies on precision logistics and high-speed automation.
Threads. The journey from factory to floor requires precise timing. Here in the back room, the new insect...
From the factory line to the brightly lit aisles, these protein bars are now ready for mainstream consumption, precisely arranged for the discerning customer.
From the high-tech food factory to these minimalist displays, the future of protein is meticulously presented. From the factory floor to the gym cafe, these insect-based protein bars represent the next generation of sustainable nutrition. Mainstream retail is embracing the future of food. This new generation of protein bars marks a significant step forward in sustainable nutrition.
The final product, neatly packaged and presented, represents the culmination of a sophisticated annual process.
From the conveyor to the scanner, the bar completes its industrial journey. The cashier's precise movements ensure a seamless retail finish.
From the factory floor to the modern health store counter, these insect protein bars are quickly becoming a staple in the sustainable snack market.
The journey from the factory concludes here, as the insect-based protein bars arrive fresh at the consumer's door. Sourced ethically and packaged cleanly, these insect protein bars represent the future of sustainable nutrition, delivered right to your door. This fully integrated future food system transforms crickets from the rearing racks into protein bars through exact